Hello, my name is Jeanette. Today I will be talking about COVID 19. At Southwest, our main focus was about the pandemic slash COVID 19, which impacted human life, presented a challenge to the public and world. I will be talking about what we've been doing for each class for PBL, math, ELA, science, and social studies. In algebra, I conducted a research on COVID 19 and created a graph and a template of my homemade mask, explaining how I show my dilation and progress of my homemade mask. I also created a homemade mask which explained steps and directions of making it. I truthfully believe making a mask and creating directions for others enhance my learning and understanding, because to make sure people that are watching this have an understanding what's going on in the PBL. In ELA, I conducted a research on COVID 19 and created a brochure explaining how you can deal with stress during the pandemic. There is many ways it can help you, even with your immune system. I also created a flyer which explains steps and information about my homemade mask. I truly believe making a brochure and flyer enhance my learning and understanding, because if I understand it, the audience that are going to watch this video should understand what I'm talking about or what's going on in this video. In science, I conducted a research on COVID 19 as well and created a healthy meal explaining healthy ways to eat during the pandemic. I truly believe creating a healthy meal enhanced my learning and understanding, because for the best, if people want to eat something healthy, they would go on the internet and search up healthy meals to help them during the pandemic. In social studies, I conducted a research on COVID 19 as well and created a report about Spanish flu and COVID 19, explaining information about both pandemics. I truly believe creating a report about Spanish flu and COVID 19 enhance my learning and understanding, because people can understand the difference between Spanish flu and the COVID 19. The question is, how can you be responsible people to help the community if another outbreak or pandemic happens like this more in the future? I could just say that just be prepared for any pandemic that could happen more on in the future, and make sure that you're safe and careful with what's going on out in the world.